Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Production Readiness Review, or what I call a PRR. What is a Production Readiness Review? A Production Readiness Review assesses a program to determine if the design is ready for production. It assesses if the prime contractor and major subcontractors have accomplished adequate production planning without incurring unacceptable risks that will breach thresholds of schedule, performance, and cost, or other established criteria. The Production Readiness Review is normally performed as a series of reviews toward the end of the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase in the defense acquisition process. The circle highlights where a PRR takes place in the process. The PRR should be conducted during system capability and manufacturing process demonstrations to identify and mitigate risks as the design progresses. What is the purpose of the Production Readiness Review? The purpose of the PRR is to evaluate the full, production configured system to determine if it correctly and completely implements all system requirements. The review determines whether the traceability of the final system requirements to the final production system is maintained. A successful review is predicated on the determination that the system requirements are fully met in the final production configuration. It determines that production capability forms a satisfactory basis for proceeding into low-rate initial production and full-rate production. There are a number of interest areas that should be addressed during a PRR. The following areas should be reviewed: the manufacturing readiness process, quality management system, production planning, system requirements compliance, inventory management, and finally, supplier management. These areas form a good background to determine if a system is ready for production. A few of the key questions that need to be answered during a production readiness review are: has the system product baseline been established and documented to enable the system to be produced? Has a good configuration control process been established? Are adequate processes and metrics in place? Have the risks been documented and manageable? Has the production capability forms been a satisfactory basis for proceeding into low-rate initial production and full-rate production? And finally, can the system produced within the allocated production budget? Answering these questions will give you a good understanding if a system can successfully proceed into production. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Production Readiness Review. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.